Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bhushan Shanbhag. Welcome to Market Mantra with Bhushan Shanbhag. In today's video, we are going to see the two common terms used in the markets, bulls and bears. Let us understand what are bulls and what are bears. Bulls are those market players who buy the stocks when the prices are low with the hope that the prices will rise and they can sell those stocks at a higher price. Bull market is defined as the one where overall the prices are on the rise or the index is rising. On the other hand, bears. Bears are those market players who sell the stock at higher price without owning them in the first place. This is called short selling and buy them back when the prices decline. Okay. So either you buy at 200 and sell at 400, you're a bull, or you sold a short stock at 400 and bought it back at 200, you're a bear. Assuming you don't own the stock in advance. Other way around, you still remain a bull. You sold at 400 and you are again going to buy it at 200, right? So depends whether you owned it or you did not own before. That is the basic difference between bulls and bears. In a bear market, overall prices are on the decline. Okay. Now, from where these bulls and bears, these terms have come in, let us understand that. I came across many explanations, but two of them actually are the best to explain. First of all, fight between bulls and the bears. It is said that there was a town in Virginia, which is a state of the United States of America. They used to conduct such fights. There would be a vertical wooden pole to which a bear they would chain, and a bull would attack. Okay, so how would the bull attack? It would put its horn down and try to throw the bear up, and bear would stand on its hind legs and with the paw try to hit the bull down. So bears are those who want to hit the prices down. Bulls are those who want to take the prices up. This is one explanation which sounds logical. Second, it was based on the skin traders. Skins, hides of animals. They were traders again in the United States. So bear skin traders, what would they do? They would go to the cities, first collect the orders, and then promise their customers that they will procure those skins for the customers. So at higher price, they would get the order. They would go to the cold terrains, get the bear hides, bear skins, come back. So they were getting the bear skins much cheaper in the colder terrains, and come back to the cities and deliver it to their customers. So first they would sell it and then buy it. That is why the term bears, because they are bear skin traders. Whereas bull skin traders, they would first go to the abattoir, collect the skins, come to the city and sell it. All right, so they will buy first and sell later. There are no advance orders or advance sale. That is why bulls. Okay, both these explanations are very, very logical. You can accept whichever you want. At the same time, remember, bulls, they buy at the lower price and they want to sell it at a higher price. Bears, they they sell at the higher price and then they will buy it at a lower price. Either explanation, your choice. If you like the information, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon. Don't forget that. So you'll come to know about the new videos immediately. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Market Mantra with Bhushan Sharma.